for tonight, guys, we're signing our contract. Huh? We're signing
Very
our
professional.
Yeah. Uy! Look at Sol. Signing her contract. Hey!
Sassily.
Hey! Hashtag free Sol. So there's a lot of content creators here. Newbies, if you see someone signing their contract, that's newbies. While on this side, that's a old content creator. the balik-balik content.
War survivors.
The survivors.
Yes.
So yeah, I'll sign my contract too. Sure. Wait. And where did you sign? We're here?
I just signed in.
We're here. Okay.
I feel like this side was more spacious than this for some reason. My signature looks different in every page.
Same.
Sorry po. It's funny how we don't know how to write anymore after computers.
After how many? Ah. Dito din ka sa likod. Lahat ng page. Pipirmahan.
Lahat, as long as mayroong naka... Ang ganda mo dun sa ano. Ang ganda. Ano, as long as may mga text ka or may mga info. Sa side mo lahat.
Okay, sige. Thank you.
Hindi this one, di ba? Because I already have a signature there.
Oh my god, my signature. It looks different.
Even there.
Also, that one, you should sign this also, since there's a unless it's blank.
I should vlog too because I started a vlog about my day today.
Yeah.
My day hasn't.
And now you forgot it's because we're too busy, right?
I didn't vlog anything about it.
Next time we're going to make a vlog like house tour. House tour.
I want to. Huh?
Are you reviewing the
what?
No. Diba, discuss na to kagabi? Ito na yun eh. Yung inabot tayo ng 2 AM. Oo.
Pipirmahan ba natin?
Oo.
No.
Lahat ng page. Uy, my signature looks different in every pages. Uy! English turn.
Hi guys.
Hey!
Music is distracting me.
Newbie. Shout out.
Well guys, I am here.
Okay, so is creating a vlog.
Yes.
Yeah, let's
I
go.
am here signing a contract. I have signed like
Already?
20 pages. Look at that. Grabe.
Grabe na to.
Look, I have more pages to sign.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Ay, ano yun?
Grabe talaga.
Grabe talaga.
Necessary, you know, the legal procedures. Look at me signing.
Grabe talaga.
Professional.
Eh.
So that. So yeah.
Meron mo yung ballpen.
Services.
Hi guys. Hoy. Hoy.
Sign,
welcome
sign
to
professional.
welcome to Soul Vlog. We're signing our contract and it's this last night. Ako kaya ano lang, di ba yung makalang sa gilid?
Huh? Look at this man, he's naked in front of everyone.
Ay, he's very serious today.
I like your camera.